And then the guy says, "Oh, forget about it."
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Hi, my name is That One Funny Guy, and today I've come to spit all facts, no printer. See, comedy is subjective, which means you could drop a banger of a joke and nobody laugh, which is why I'm here to fix that. Yup, I'm gonna make a laugh track, but it's portable. So one thing I'm sure everyone wants in life is for all their jokes to land. Imagine any joke at any time, people would always laugh. Unfortunately, that's not the case. But what if it was? You know, what if you could get laughs at any time, any day? I'm gonna do it. Yep. But let me explain how I will. Different outfit, don't think about it, stick with me. So you saw the title of this video, you know what we're making. But let me explain the iterations I went through. We tried voice recognition. Knock, knock. That didn't work. We tried facial recognition. Knock, knock. That didn't work. We even tried motion detection. The laugh box. And the motion sensor was too sensitive. That did not work. So I'm struggling. I'm sitting here pacing back and forth, wondering how do I get this product to work? But then I realized, coming at it too big brain, you know? Let's just scale it down a bit. All I gotta do is make a button. I just hit my nothing fancy, just a little trigger. But let me just explain how it works. This project has a few components, okay? We got the Raspberry Pi, the heart and soul of this project, okay? It's running the code and it got wires running through it, okay? A lot of wires running through it. Connected to those wires is a breadboard, which I showed in my last video, and I'm not gonna explain it. I don't even know what it does. Anyways, the wires are plugged into the breadboard, and then the breadboard is a button. But you see, the problem is you can't have a button connected to the breadboard and then be able to, you know, touch it from back there because it's a backpack. So you have to have wires running all the way up to your hand so that you can press it at any time. That's why we needed so many wires. Yeah. But look, okay, enough of the specifics. Let's speed run this. Okay, we're gonna have a montage. You're gonna love it. It's gonna start now. Raspberry Pi, wires, breadboard, and a button. Putting them all together, tedious process, I'm not gonna lie. To house the button, we're gonna put it in this key ring, keychain. What is it called? We're gonna put it in this key thingamajig. Brought to you by Idyllic CREATIONS. No, this video is not sponsored, but they make cool keychains, so check them out. Link in the description. Other than that, we got a few other pieces like the speaker and this revolutionary technology called the cardboard box. But let's put it all together. And I'm tired of talking, so I'm just gonna put some cool music or something. And alright folks, it might have taken me days, months, years even, but we're finally here. Yep, we've created the pinnacle of human invention. I'm gonna be honest, it's not the prettiest thing you've ever seen, okay? But I know what you're thinking. Michael, does it even work? It definitely worked. But I'm not gonna sit here and talk about it, people. Start the commercial. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Are you sad because none of your friends laugh at your jokes?
Are you so unfunny that you need a robot to laugh for you? Well, I have the product for you. Introducing the LaughBot. With its portable and revolutionary design, you can get laughs anywhere, anytime, at any place. What's that? Your coworker doesn't think you're funny? The LaughBox got you covered. What's that? You don't even think you're funny? The LaughBox got you covered. For only 69 payments of $420, this LaughBox can be yours to keep forever. There's no we're not taking it back. Just keep it. But wait, folks, there's more. If you call within the next 30 minutes, we'll give you like a water bottle. I don't know. Yeah, we'll give you something. I don't know. We'll just call. Call now 1-800-FUNNY-BOX. Yeah, 1-800-FUNNY-BOX. Call now. And that's pretty much it, folks. One of, if not the greatest invention I've ever made. It's kind of sad. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know. Say what you liked. Say what you didn't. Okay, but one more joke for the road. What's a skeleton's favorite instrument? The organ.
Almost forgot. My gaming channel is now live. It's just called Mrake. You can see it. Link in the description. I play games like GTA and Valorant. Maybe even Among Us. But yeah, check it out if you want. Cool. Yeah. Catch you later.